Hey guys, welcome to Jamie's Garage. My name's Jamie. In addition to this YouTube channel, I also own an auto repair shop called Elite Motorworks here in Sarasota, Florida. We specialize in German cars, and we're doing a really good job. In fact, in the last year and a half, we've doubled our business, which means I had to hire more employees. We've had to use every square inch of the building, and so it's becoming extremely difficult to film in the shop. Which is why, as the title states, I fired myself.
You're fired!
Over the last few months, because we've been so busy, I've had to wait till after hours or on the weekends to film in the shop. So basically, when the guys were done, we had to go in, clean, set up the lights, the cameras, the microphones, get the car just right. It took a lot of work, and it would be sometimes a couple hours before we could actually start filming. Then we only had a few hours to get the project done because it would run until 1 or 2, sometimes 3 o'clock in the morning. And then we have to get out of there so the next morning the guys could work. So it was getting really tiring for me, it was getting really tiring for my family, and I was in the way of the shop a lot. Firing myself is really the best thing because it's providing the shop more freedom without me being in the way. And then here I can now focus on doing the videos. Now we had ended up buying a new house to do this. So we've got 5 acres here. I've got a new garage. We're gonna be completely restoring the garage. I'll give you a tour here in just a second. So what I'm trying to say is this transition from the shop to my garage is gonna be coming soon. We're still gonna be filming both, but this is gonna be really interesting. I can't wait to show you guys. We've got a really good project coming up soon. However, I've got to get the garage done first. There's a lot to do. Let's go check out the garage. This is a true 3-car garage, much wider than the typical 3-car garage you would see in a neighborhood. It's actually 36 feet wide, and it goes 50 feet deep for a total of 1,800 square feet. See the tractor right there? I'm a city slicker myself, so I'm gonna have to learn how to mow the yard and take care of the land and all the trees and all the stuff that's out here. So that'll be interesting. Anyways, let's continue back. You see that wall right there? That's the dividing wall. On the other side of that wall, they have a pen for donkeys. That's right, they had donkeys. So that wall is gonna come down. Let's go on to the back here. And there's the donkey pen. It's all insulated on the roof and screened in. That was their protection when they came in from outside. Over here is the workshop area. There's some tools left behind. The guy actually left me some stuff, which is kind of nice. I cannot wait to get all this cleaned up, guys. This is gonna look so nice when we're done. I know it looks pretty bad right now, and you can't tell, but it smells like donkey. And we actually closed on the house today. We're gonna start construction immediately, and I'm gonna come in here with a big hammer and just start knocking stuff down. I asked Joey to come help me remove the flooring from the donkey pen. These floor mats are solid rubber. They're like an inch thick. They're super awkward and just crazy heavy. Thanks, Joey, for coming to help me out. Also got rid of all this debris, just dumped it right there in the 20-yard dumpster. All right, today's the 5th day we've officially owned the house, so you can see all the construction we've done in the last 4 days. These lights are gonna be replaced with some really high quality lights. We're still shopping around for the right cabinets and some other flooring options. Apparently epoxy is almost impossible to find right now, which was my first choice. I'm not sure if we're gonna do polished concrete, if we should do something else. If you guys have any options, please tell me, because I'm really scrambling here to figure out what we're gonna do with the floor. All these walls are gonna be completely gone. We're gonna restructure the roof up here so we can fit a lift and a car to go high enough to work under it. This will be the office, so I'll be doing my voiceovers in here. We're gonna insulate this really nicely so we don't get any outside noise. Our refrigerator, of course, is gonna be filled with our favorite beverage. I don't think we're gonna keep this sink here, we'll find out. So basically, we're gonna have this all finished, gonna look really nice. We're gonna put a window here to be able to see into the shop. And I'm gonna have a large conference type table right down the middle. We'll have our my computer, my dad's computer. My dad will be able to do the editing. I'll be able to do, I'll help him with the editing. I'll be doing my office work as well for the shops. I can do a lot of work from home, which would be really nice. I'm opening up a couple other locations. As you can see, I still have a lot of work I gotta get done. Now you guys know me, this place is gonna be perfect when it's all done. It's gonna be really clean and bright and vibrant. It's not gonna look anything like it looks right now. In fact, you won't even recognize this. I can't wait to look back at this video, you know, in a few months from now. If you guys have any recommendations, please tell me. I am all ears. I mean, we got a pretty good idea of what we're gonna do, but I'd like to get some ideas maybe on the flooring and some cabinet ideas, design ideas. I'm all ears on that. We got some really good videos coming out. I've been working really hard, so please forgive me if the videos aren't coming out as often as you would like. In addition to running the shop, we're actually opening new locations. We're gonna be you know, building this out, and I still gotta be a family man. So thank you guys for your patience. Have a great day. And if you haven't subscribed, please consider doing so. Thanks.